Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this beautiful wig that was sent to me from RPGHair. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. So the wig that I'll be trying on today is in the style LFW 92. The hair color is same as image. The hair length is 18 inches. The density is 180%, and it is a lace front wig with 5 inches of parting space. The wig comes with 4 combs and an adjustable strap. The hairline is pre-plucked, and the knots are pre-bleached for us as well. Okay, so let's imagine that you just got this wig in the mail and you want to wear it tonight, but you don't have the extra time to customize it. Let's put this wig to the test. Can you buy it straight off the website, get it delivered, and then try it on your head and run out the door within an hour and a half to 2 hours? Let's put this wig to the test. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut some layers in it. I love this color job. This is one of my favorite autumn wig colors that I've tried this year so far. I love the fact that they have very striking highlights in the front, framing my face, but I do feel like this wig needs more movement in body. So I'm just going to cut some layers into it to frame my face. You're going to notice a huge difference, especially when I finish curling the wig, how the wig is going to look and flow and move once I cut those deep face framing layers. So I'm just going to grab the sections that I want to cut, and then I'm just going to start cutting. Okay, so now that we have the perfect shape, it's now time to install the wig. I'm going to pin all of the hair out of my face, and then I'm going to grab a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut 2 slices in the extra lace, and that's going to divide it into 3 different sections. Moving the wig out of my face, I'm going to grab alcohol and I'm going to apply that to my forehead just to clean off any extra oil or dirt from my skin. Then I'll be using scalp protector from Walker Tape, and I will be applying that to my scalp where I will be applying the gel. Okay, so now that my skin and scalp are prepped, it's now time to grab the Got2b Ultra Glue Gel that I'll be applying to adhere this down. Using a thin layer of that, I'm going to apply that to the middle section first. Then I'm just going to blow dry it until it is tacky. Grabbing that extra lace, I'm going to place it over that tacky gel and then use the back end of a rat tail comb to press that into the gel. I'm going to follow those steps for the left and right portions of the wig and then put my headscarf on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Removing my headscarf, I'm just going to move these hairs backwards and then focus on cutting away the extra lace. Following the natural curvature of the lace, I'm just going to cut in front of the hairline, making sure not to cut into the hair, and just take my time until all of the extra lace is removed. Okay, so now I'm just going to get rid of some of those flyaways and just to mold the hair and flatten it a little bit by using this hair wax stick. Applying that hair wax stick to the entire top of the wig and some of the lumpy areas that I want flat, I'm just going to grab my pressing comb to smooth that product into the hair, and this is just going to help, smooth away those flyaways and to get the hair as flat and natural looking as we're looking for it to be. So I'm just going to take my time with that step and then I'll come right back. Okay, so now that we have molded the top of the wig, it's now time to work on this parting space. You can leave the parting space completely alone, but because we did not tint the lace, and I typically tint the laces on all of my wigs, I decided to go with some eyeshadow and apply that to the parting space. This is the next best option if you don't have time or if you don't have tint on hand, and it's the easiest thing ever to do. So I did mix 2 different eyeshadows and I'm just going to apply that to the scalp. This is going to help the scalp blend in with my complexion, and it's going to widen the scalp so that it looks a little bit more natural as well. So sometimes when you do install the wig the way that I did, the lace does lift up a little bit when you're cutting the extra lace off. So I just grabbed the Got2b Freeze Spray and I sprayed that to where the lace was lifting up at. And then I'm just going to put my headscarf on for about 5 minutes to allow it to set. And that's also going to help the hair fully mold into, a flatter surface. So I did finish my makeup. Now it's time to curl this hair. So I'm going to grab the first section in my Baby Bliss curling iron, and then I'm just going to begin to curl the hair out of my face. The hair is not that thick in density, so I think I did about 5 curls on each side. So now that I am finished with the curls, I'm just going to grab Sebastian's shaper spray. I'm going to spray the hair with that hairspray. One thing that I love about this hairspray is that it's dry, so you don't have to worry about weird oils getting onto the hair, but it also holds the curls into place so your curls will last longer. And here's the finished look. This wig did amazing straight out of the package. If you are a beginner and you follow my steps, your wig will look exactly like this. No extra effort needed. I think that this wig is perfect to wear every single day. And I am obsessed with this hair color. I love it. I love, love, love the variations of browns, the sand blonde mixed with the chestnut brown, and then it has dark roots. I'm just so obsessed with it. You do have the option of adding baby hairs if that's what you want to do, but because this is a quick, straight out of the package type of look, I chose not to add baby hairs to this wig. And yes, I'm obsessed with the color. I'm obsessed with the cut. I love how the wig just flows and it has movement and body. And this was such a easy and quick hairstyle. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to this wig down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. If you have any questions about this wig, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. Let's chat all about this wig, the color, the style, the cut, everything down below in the comments. What would you name this wig? So the name that I came up with for this wig is Golden Days. I love it so much. Like, I was looking at it in the sun and I was like, this is such a beautiful golden color, and it complements darker and deeper skin tones so well. So Golden Days is the name that I came up with. If you are new here, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave a comment before you leave so that I know you stopped by, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
It's beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai.